Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will edit again a picture using Lightroom Mobile. So let's get started.
Now go to the Lights panel. Exposure, -0.10. Contrast, 45. Highlights, -48. Shadows, 60. Whites, -100. Blacks, 16. Now go to curves and follow these steps.
Now go to the color panel. Temp, -7. Tint, 24. Vibrance, 68. Saturation, -16. And then go to color mix. Red. Hue, -6. Saturation, -6. Luminance, 0. Orange. Hue, -10. Saturation, 20. Luminance, 28. Yellow. Hue, -50. Saturation, -100. Luminance, -10. Green. Hue, -48. Saturation, -100. Luminance, 0. Aqua. Hue, 100. Saturation, -81. Luminance, 0. Blue. Hue, -41. Saturation, -51. Luminance, -25. Magenta. Hue, 0. Saturation, -75. Luminance, 24. Purple. Hue, 24. Saturation, -10. Luminance, 10.
Go to the grading. Shadows. Hue, 211. Saturation, 10. Balance, -33. Highlights. Hue, 240. Saturation, 12. And now go to the Effects panel. Texture, 10. Clarity, 10.
Dehaze, -8.
Vignette, -10. Midpoint, 17. Feather, 90. And lastly go to Details. Sharpening, 16. Noise Reduction, 11. Color Noise Reduction, 13. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.